welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be unboxing the Samsung Active2 watch, and I got it in a rose gold color. So let's see right here, it says it's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS, and let's just go ahead and start unboxing it. Okay, so let's see here. I think there's something in here. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. What is this? It's the charger, the wireless charger, and a quick start guide. Okay. Pretty simple. So here's the guide. The charger, it's pretty small. That's a good thing. It won't take much of my space on my nightstand. And yep, let's see. And oh my god, this is so pretty. Wait, what's this? Another one? What? It came with two? That's crazy. I hope this is not a mistake. Guys, it came with two. Wow. That is so cool. I can probably have one at my job and one here at home. But take a look at this. Oh my goodness. The material, it's really good. And this is the back of it right here. Okay, let's see, how do you turn it on? Right here. Okay, there we go, it's turning on. It's taking a minute. Wow, I'm so amazed. Let me see if it says that it's including two. Okay, let's see. So it says let's go. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Okay. Screen reader. Settings. Voice assistant, tutorial, settings. Okay, well this is it, guys. I will go ahead and record another video. So this is what it came with. The watch, one charger, and another charger. That's what it looks like. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys think. What type of phone do you guys have? If you guys have a watch, let me know. If you guys know of cool tricks I can use on this watch, and please link down below if you guys have purchased different color bands, so I can go ahead and order me some. Thank you.